All right, today I'm going to show you how to create professional, high-converting websites in minutes without writing a single line of code using ClickSites AI 2.0. If you've ever struggled with building websites, designing pages, or figuring out where to start, this is going to make your life so much easier. The first thing you need to do is set up AI integration. ClickSites lets you connect with multiple AI providers like OpenAI, Gemini, or Anthropic. For beginners, OpenAI is perfect and completely free to set up. All you need is an API key, which takes just a minute to get from the OpenAI console. Once you enter it, ClickSites automatically connects and you're ready to go. Next, you'll create your workspace. Think of this as your hub where all your websites live. You can name it anything, and ClickSites will automatically generate a subdomain for you. Later, if you want, you can connect your own custom domain. Once your workspace is ready, you're inside the dashboard where you'll see analytics, integrations, and tons of tools to manage your pages, teams, and marketing campaigns. Creating a website is super fast with AI Studio. Just enter your business info, select your industry, and watch as ClickSites generates copy, images, sections, and even layouts automatically. You can tweak fonts, colors, sections, and everything else to match your style. Whether it's for your business or a client project, ClickSites does the heavy lifting while giving you full control. If you've been waiting for a way to launch websites quickly, ClickSites AI 2.0 is the tool you need, and it's incredibly easy to get started today.
Hello and welcome to this video. Now in this video, if you are accessing ClickSites for the very first time, this is exactly what you will see. So this is an orientation on how to set up and configure a couple of steps in order to start using ClickSites AI. So first and foremost, you can actually skip these steps for now. I'll do this later, but it is compulsory. You are going to need to do a couple of steps. Okay, so first of all, we're going to look at configuring the AI integration. So once you go ahead and select Setup AI, you are going to be presented with this pop-up and you will see AI provider. Now from the drop down you've got a number of different AI providers you can choose from. Say for instance you have OpenAI, Gemini, Anthropic, DeepSeek, XAI and Mistral. So you've got a huge number of selections to choose from. So typically these are, you can have one or more, but for this example we're going to look at OpenAI. So some of the key things you're going to need is a key name, so you can make up anything, but this is the key thing. You're going to need an API key. So how, you're probably thinking, how do I get the API key? Well, great question. Now down to the bottom left you will see there is a bit of text here with a clickable link. So get your API key from the OpenAI console. Once you select that, okay, your site, so essentially you have to be signed in order to use this. But if you're doing this for the first time, you may see a different window. So just sign in. This is the key thing. Sign in first and you may see a completely different screen. But the moment you're signed in, just return to this window, okay, and click the link again and it will bring you directly, once you're logged in, it will bring you directly to this screen that you're seeing right now. And on this screen you will see something called Create a New Secret Key tab. You would select that and you type in any name. So let's just do demo 1 test. And you say create secret key. You don't touch anything else, select it, and then this pop-up will now appear where it says save your key. So this is the API key. You can see it starts with SK. You can simply go ahead and copy it and you'll see it starts here SK. So once you have that key, ideally what we now need to do is take that key and enter it into this field here. Once you enter it, simply select validate and save. Oh, we've got to put a key name, OpenAI key, and we'll validate and save. And what will happen now, ClickSites AI will communicate with OpenAI, and you will see they're communicating it, fetch all that information. So straight away you can see configure AI integration has now been completed. So fantastic. Step number 1 is done. Okay, step number 2, create workspace. Now just to quickly touch on configure AI integration. So when you are in the dashboard, you can actually add other integrations or change them, change different defaults if you so desire. So you can always come back to it and change it if you want to change accounts, so on and so forth. Okay. Now next, create your first workspace. Now when you go ahead and select create workspace, you will see it'll ask you for a workspace name. So you can put anything. Let's just say my let's just say my dentist workspace, okay, 1, and you'll see everything that you create in terms of the page will be hosted on ClickSites AI. It will be essentially like a subdomain name. So you can see the domain name will be like so, clicksitespages.com, but the subdomain name is the workspace name that you are going to create. So you can see mydentistworkspace.clicksitepages.com. Now, if you do want to have your own custom domain name, that's something you can do. And once you set up your workspace, you can go and you can actually edit, and you can tailor make your own custom domain name. If you haven't your own custom domain name that you want, or you already have, there's also ability to do that level of integration as well. Okay, so that's a little bit more advanced, which we will cover later on. Okay, so once you're happy with the basic information, all you do is simply select create workspace, and that's it. And next you can see, look, start exploring, and it will take you into the dashboard. Now, the very first time as you're in the dashboard, you'll see this beautiful screen here, which doesn't have any data. Why? Because you haven't made any websites yet and no one's visiting them. The moment you do have your own site and people are visiting them, you will see nice graphs, and it'll show you the information and data. Okay, you'll have different data points that you can see. First and foremost, once you're inside the site, you'll have different levels of, different features that you can choose from, night mode, day mode, etc, etc. But there are tutorials on this where we complete a breakdown, but just very quickly I'll show you. You can do day mode and night mode. You'll have your account settings here, privacy, where you can manage secure your privacy, dashboard, all the pages that you create. Okay, you'll have integrations. So here we can see we have our OpenAI. You can actually add more keys if you want. If you want to do other levels of integrations, you can do that, and it will be the same process where you have clickable links and you can go inside. Okay. Also, you also have a design for Artistly, and also you'll have different elements of marketing features, which I'll show you in just a moment. So essentially, this is what it will look like. Let me show you. Just to get started straight away. So if you do go through all the process, which I'll show you, let me show you everything completely open and unlocked. Okay, so I've just completely switched over. So this is an active account, and you'll see some pages have been made here. So this is what you'll essentially see. You see all the data points, graphs, analytic summary. And if I come back now to integrations, you see this is how it will appear. So you'll have AI integrations, we'll have designs. So if you have Artistly, if you've got email marketing apps that you want to connect, again, it will be the same process. You can do it through the API keys, and even webinar connections. Go to webinar or Zoom. Got a whole array of different connections you can choose from. Okay, and also for leads, if you're collecting leads and information, you can do all of that. Teams. So there are a whole number of tutorials that will cover this, and just as you go down, you'll see the tutorials page there. So essentially, this is the very first point I wanted to cover, especially for the introduction, like an orientation. And then just to create a page, I'll select create a page, and we've got a different number of choices. So you can use the AI Studio, AI template, or Canvas, and there's tutorials on there explaining it, but for this, let's just go for AI Studio. That's probably the most fastest method possible. So let's just say a website selling teeth whitening kits. Okay, kits. And then you'll just simply select generate, but you can actually choose from a number of languages if you want to generate in another language, and then generate. Okay, and then it'll walk you through the process where it will start formulating ideas. It'll give you a breakdown, like you can see, the business information. It's already come up with the business name. So all of this can be altered. You can come and you can make an adjustment if you have any information that you want to change. Also, you've got selected sections. So if you have anything you want to add or maybe remove, maybe the process, testimonials, pricing. But remember, even though you do them here, it will build a site on it, but you can always, once you're in the site, you can go and do a level of editing, add, remove, and customize, for whatever your needs are. So you got that full flexibility regardless what you put in here. But it's there to make your life as easy as possible. And straight away you'll see it's going to start building your website. It's going to analyze the information, all of the key components, all the business information, the keywords, the breakdown of it, all that primary information that it had. It's going to go source, fetch that information, and the AI is going to build and optimize your site based on the information that we input and that it thinks is going to be applicable to your request or your needs. Now, needless to say, once you're actually in the process of the editor, once your website is built and designed, we can go and we can do as much editing and customization as we so desire. Even though the pictures are going to be created for you or the images are created from you, everything's royalty free, the copywriting, whatever it may be, you do have that flexibility of going in and customizing it as much as your heart desires. So that's the key. The bulk of the work is done for you. So whether you're doing this for your own personal or client projects, you have that complete flexibility moving forward. So what we do, we give it a few moments to load, okay, and then we shall return. Okay, so now we have the website. It is ready to go. Okay, so once the website is done, we can simply select Open Studio and it will open up the website studio. Okay, now what you're seeing here is the website itself, all the copywriting's done, all the imagery, etc, etc. And one thing you will see, this is not the complete full editor yet. This essentially will let you just have a little bit of a sneak peek looking into the website. But the good thing is that what you can do, you can make a slight adjustment like typography of the site. You can do complete overhaul of the typography of the fonts applicable to the entire website. You'll see that in real time as that applies. Okay, you can make all of these beautiful edits and make adjustments if you want. Also, you do have the ability of changing even the text color. Okay, you can see the variations of the header, and you can actually add sections and make different modifications. Now, all of this extra ability when it comes to these editors, there's actually a tutorial on this that goes a little bit more deeper, but for the purposes of this, it's quick orientation, just showing you how quickly it would look. So once you're happy, you can actually jump in and select edit, and you'll see with this editor, there's even more functionality when it comes to editing your website. Okay. So you'll see, you can add section blocks. You can use the AI HTML editor section here. We can actually insert an image and it'll be inserted into your site. You've got translation, save section, typography, animations, various settings. You've got the AI assistants. You can look at different, look at the website itself on different devices, even a full preview mode. And you'll see different types of settings throughout where you can actually edit and actually add more sections and blocks to the website and fully build it out. And even if you wanted to add a top menu bar navigation to the site itself. So this was a very quick overview. So once you're happy with that, you would save it, and then once it's saved, we'll revert back to the home screen. Okay, we go back, and then you can see we're on our home screen, and straight away we can see this is what we just built. Bright smiles. Here you can see the different information where we can edit, we can check settings. Especially when it comes to workspace and page information, you can add a favicon, GDPR, affiliate badge, code injections, header scripts, body scripts, meta information, and so on and so forth. So many possibilities when using this, and then you can actually jump back in and edit. Okay. However, that was a quick overview how to get started for the very first time when using ClickSites AI. Okay, so the first key fundamentals are, once you're inside ClickSites, is the key thing is you want to go to integrations, set up your AI integration first and foremost. Okay, you can have multiple different integrations. OpenAI is completely free to set up, so that's the key thing that you should do. So any of them you can go ahead and make sure you get it done. Then the next will be creating that workspace. Okay, so there's a number of different ways, but you can even go to the top section here and simply select add workspace, or go through the prompt section as we did at the start, and then you are ready to go. Okay, and then there will be further tutorials that will break down every component, whether it's pages, integration, leads, teams, white label, and even the workspace. If you want to do some editing, look at DNS, have a custom workspace, and so on and so forth. So hopefully you've enjoyed this short introduction, and I look forward to seeing you building out your site. So congratulations once again, and go ahead now and get started with ClickSites AI.